second type of simple diffusion after convective transport is acid-base diffusion. Let's consider this the structure of aspirin. This is the protonated aspirin and this is unprotonated aspirin. This aspirin is neutral form. This aspirin is charged form. The neutral form of a drug is always lipid soluble, and greater the lipid solubility, greater will be absorption. While the charged form is water soluble, greater the water solubility, lesser will be absorption. However, the acid-base absorption is totally depend upon Henderson Hasselbalch equation. It is also known as simply HH equation. This equation is simply derived as this is weak acid. Any drug may be weak acid or weak base. The strong acid and strong base are never drugs, they are poison. So this is weak acid, this is ionization, this is constant is equal to this one, the product, and divided by this one. Now let इसको HA को इधर भी मल्टीप्लाई कर ले, इधर भी मल्टीप्लाई कर ले. इधर अगर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये इसके साथ क्रॉस हो जाएगा और ये इधर आ जाएगा. फिर इस तरह कर ले कि ए को इस साइड पे भी डिवाइड कर ले, ये भी इस पे डिवाइड कर ले, तो ए ख़त्म हो जाएगी एंड एच ए डिवाइड बाई ए माइनस के इज इक्वल टू प्रोटॉन. नाउ टेक नेगेटिव log of this side as well as this side. So negative log of this one minus negative log of k is equal to negative log of proton. So the negative log of proton is equal to pH and the negative log of k is equal to pKa. So replace pH in place of minus log H and pKa acid dissociation constant in place of minus k. So minus k is in place of minus so pKa in place of minus log k and pH in place of minus log H. Now pH is equal to pKa plus minus log. Now to convert this minus log into positive log, just inverse it. So this is log, positive log, a minus को ऊपर कर ले, इसको नीचे कर ले, तो this log is equal to log into a minus and Ha plus pKa is equal to pH. We can write this equation as pH minus pKa. अगर इसको हम equation के इस side पे ले आए is equal to this one. Remember it. If the difference of pH minus pKa is more negative, for example minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 8, minus 9, the absorption will be more. And this is the equation for weak base. pH is equal to pKa plus log B divided by BH plus. अब इधर याद रखें, we can convert this equation in this form, pH minus pKa. अब this difference, ये difference जितना positive होगा, positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4, positive 5, positive 6, तो इतना ही इसकी absorption ज़्यादा होगी. For example, let's consider this is the pKa of aspirin is 3.4. The pKa mean at this point, at this pH, the equation is 50%. The drug is 50% ionized and 50% unionized, and the pH of stomach is 1.4. This is HH equation. pH is equal to pKa plus log this one. pH is 1.4, pKa is 3.4. अब इसको इधर ले आए तो 1.4 minus 3.4 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 अब इधर देखें log of 0.01 is equal to minus 2. तो minus 2 की जगह ये लगाएं, log 0.01 इधर इसकी वजह लगाएं और log a minus divided by HA. अब इस log को इस log के साथ ख़त्म कर ले तो 0.01 is equal to a minus divided by this one. It means अब 0.01 के नीचे 100 लगाएं, 1 by 100, तो 1 by 100 is equal to A divided by HA. It means the ionized drug is 1 and the unionized one is 100 at this particular pH in the stomach, and the drug is acidic. So it means in the stomach, the protonated form is more and the ionized form is less, so this protonated form will absorb more. In case of pH in blood pH is 7.4, aspirin pK is 3.4. So now HH equation, इधर pH 7.4 लगाएं, इधर pK aspirin की 3.45 लगाएं, is equal to 4 अगर log हम 10,000 का log ले लें तो 4 आ जाएगा, ठीक है. Now replace log 10,000 in place of 4, इसको इसके साथ क्रॉस कर ले. 10,000 equal to H minus and A minus H by HA. 10,000 divided by 1 and this 1, so it means कि ionized form are 10,000 and unionized form are 1 inside the blood. Inside the blood, ionized form are 10,000 and unionized is 1. So this 10,000 cannot reabsorb because this is the in ionized form.